Hi everybody. Today we are going to take a look at a library database called APA PsycArticles. We can start right here on the NCC library homepage, and then we can scroll down to databases right under the research tab. Now we can click on the A's right here and go right into APA PsycArticles. Let's open up APA PsycArticles and see what we have. At this point, you will be asked for a username and password if you are logging in from off campus. This is simply your MyNCC username and password. APA PsycArticles from the American Psychological Association is a definitive source of full-text, peer-reviewed, scholarly, and scientific articles in psychology. So now let's try a keyword search. We'll put young adults in the first field here, and we'll put anxiety disorders in a second field right below it. Then let's scroll down and use the full text and scholarly peer-reviewed journals limiters. This will ensure that we get the most relevant search results. Now let's do our search. We get 406 full-text results from scholarly journals with our terms young adults and anxiety disorders. Now let's take a look at one of our search results. We'll open the second article on our list, which is called Mobile Apps for Youth Anxiety Disorders, a review of the evidence and forecast of future innovations. So we'll click on the title and open the article. From here, the article is basically yours to read, download, or print out if you would like. We can take a look at the abstract, which is usually a brief summary of the article right here. And if we like what we see, we can go further into the full text. You can download the article from the PDF link right here. Now we are into the full text of the article where you can read it, download it, or print it out if you would like to. I would also like to draw your attention to some useful icons on the side of our screen. The first icon I would like to show you is called Permalink. This will open a link that you can copy and paste, which will always bring you right back to this screen. It's a great way to organize your research articles. The last icon I would like to show you is called Cite. If we click on this, we'll notice formatted citations come up in all the major styles, such as APA, Chicago, and MLA. And you can use these to copy and paste into a Word document for your research paper. Just remember to check these citations against one of the style guides. They usually are 75 or 80% correct, but often contain some small errors such as capitalization or italics. The fields are usually accurate, but often there are some smaller errors. Make sure to check these citations. You don't want to lose points at the end of your research paper after all of your hard work. So that was our quick tutorial of the PsycArticles database. As always, please feel free to contact the library with any questions. We are here for you and want to help. Thank you and have a nice day.